In this video, we're going to discuss about matrices. Alright, let's say if given the matrix A, they has elements A, B, C, D, E, F. We call these elements, those letters are elements. So what you're supposed to know is that the matrix are placed in rows and columns. We have rows and columns. Rows we place where those we have rows. Rows are placed where horizontal. We measure those are rows. We have how many rows? 3 rows. Then vertically we have columns. Those are columns. So that is what you're supposed to know. So here we have how many? We have one, two, 3 rows, and 1, 2. We have 2 columns. So the order of matrix is it is given by rows multiplied by columns. So this, as you can see, we have 3 rows. So we'll have 3 multiplied by 2. So we call this 3 by 2 matrix. This will be 3 by 2 matrix. It has 3 rows and 2 columns. Let's say I've given the matrix B. Matrix B now has E, F, G, H, Y, X, Z, T, P, I, O, C, like this. So this matrix consists of how many rows? You have 1, 2, 3. Let me just reduce a bit. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 3 rows, and have 1, 2, 3 what? Columns. So this is what? Matrix is given by what? Rows multiplied by columns. So this will be 3 by 3 matrix. This will be 3 by 3 matrix. All right, so let's say we are given again the matrix C. Matrix C, C, D, E, F. So this matrix consists of 2 rows and consists of 3 columns. So this will be 2 by 2 matrix. We call that 2 by 2 matrix. Let's say we've given matrix D. Now here matrix D has F like this. So it has 1 row and 1 column. So this will be 1 by 1 matrix. So it has 1 columns and 1 row. It has 1 rows and 1 column. So that is 1 by 1 columns. So that is what is given. It's given like this. Those are determinants. That is how we determine them. So those are matrices. So that is why that is how we will be given those matrices. So let's say now you have given matrix A plus matrix B. Here we have matrix A minus 4, 3, 2, 1. We have B 0, 8 minus 7 given 6. So here we have to add those matrices. So you cannot add. It's supposed to be, you have what? This is a 2 by 2 matrix. Also this is a 2 by 2 matrix. So you add 2 by 2 matrix. You cannot add 1 by 1 matrix with a 3 by 3 matrix. It must be the same. The row, the order of the matrix must be the same. The elements, you must have 3 rows and 3 columns. If you add 3 by 3, if it's 2 by 2, you add 2 by 2. So matrix A, we add it to matrix B. So you add, we'll have them if you add, you'll have minus 4. You add minus 4 plus the element in the first row and the first column, you add with the second element in the first row and the first column. Minus 4 plus 0. Let me just say A plus B will be equals to minus 4 plus 0. Right. So 2 you add with 8. 2 plus 8 like that. 3 plus minus 7. 3 plus minus 7 is the same as minus 7. We have 1 plus 6. We have 1 plus 6. So this is the matrix. So this will be equals to what? A plus B. This will be minus 4. And this will be 10, negative 10, 7. So this is how you add the matrix. When you're adding the matrix, you add the element in the first. If you add the element in the first row, you must add it with the corresponding row. Must be you add it. They must correspond, and the matrix must be the same. All right. Let's say now you've given matrix again, matrix A minus the matrix B. Same method. The same method. You take the first matrix there, it's minus 4. You subtract with the what? With the element in the first row and then first column. First row, second column is like that, will be 2 minus what? Minus 8. Again, you'll have 3 minus 7. 1 minus 6. So this is what you'll have there. Then the matrix A minus the matrix of B, this will be minus 4. We'll have positive 10. We'll have minus 10. We have minus 7. So this is how you go about determining the matrix. How you add and subtract the matrix. You add and then you subtract according to what? To the rows and columns, those elements. That is how you add them. All right. So let's say you've given a matrix. Let me just say 2, or let me just call it C. Even matrix C, which is 5, 2, 11. Here we have matrix minus 7, element 7, 6. We have 9 like this. We have 10, 9, 7. Then you've given the matrix D. We have the 10 minus 1, 3, 6, minus 3, minus 4, minus 7, 1, and 5 like this. So we have to add the matrix C plus D. This will be equals to what? So you know how does it goes. You add 5 plus 10 will be what? 15. There will have 5 plus 10. 2 plus minus 1. 11 plus 3. Minus 7 plus 6. 6 plus 1, 9 plus 5, 10 plus minus 3, 3 plus minus 4, 3 plus minus 4, minus 7 plus minus 7. Right, so C plus D matrix there will have 15. This will give us 1. The 14. This will be what? Minus 1, 7, 14. Adding this will have 7 minus 1 minus 14. So this is a matrix. That is how you add the matrices. Alright, that is how you're supposed to add the matrix. Right, so that is how you add the rows. You add must be the element must be in the first row according to the row must match, and the columns must match. Everything must matches. Then it's how you can add and subtract the matrices. Right, that is how you do those things. All right, so but multiplying now, when we multiply the matrices, it's important. Like let's say we have minus 4, 2, 3, 1, and then here 0, 8 minus 7, 6. All right, so when you are multiplying the matrix, let's say matrix 1, it's 1. I want you to check the rows. Okay, let me just say we have how many here? We have 2 rows. This will be what? A is B, it's what called B will be 2 by 2 matrix. Then C is also what? A 2 by 2 matrix. So these numbers must match. Remember, it's a row multiplied by column. So the row multiply the column by column. So these two, they must match. They must be the same. Like they must match row and column. The number they must be the same. As you can see, we have 2 here. Also here we have what?